The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, in your SsangYong Korando III from 2010 to 2016 alerts you when tire pressure is too low. Ignoring this warning can result in increased fuel consumption and a higher risk of accidents. This video will guide you through resetting the TPMS warning light after adjusting tire pressure or replacing tires. Note that the Korando III typically uses an indirect TPMS system, which estimates pressure using wheel speed sensors rather than direct sensors in each tire. The TPMS warning light typically illuminates after tire rotations, replacements, or when tire pressure changes due to temperature fluctuations. Temperature changes can cause tire pressure to fluctuate, triggering the warning light even when tires are properly inflated. Resetting the system recalibrates it to recognize the current tire pressures, preventing unnecessary false warnings. Always ensure tires are inflated to the recommended pressure, typically 32 to 35 psi, before resetting to avoid inaccurate readings. Before attempting a reset, use a reliable tire pressure gauge to ensure all tires are inflated to the pressure specified in your owner's manual or on the sticker located on your driver's side door jamb. Proper inflation is crucial for accurate TPMS readings and safe driving. Don't forget to check the spare tire, if applicable. For most Korando III models with indirect TPMS, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Locate the TPMS reset button, usually found on the dashboard or beneath the steering wheel. Press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the TPMS light blinks. This initiates the reset process. After the light blinks, start driving your Korando III at speeds above 20 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate based on the wheel speed sensors. The TPMS light should turn off automatically once the system has successfully relearned the tire pressures. Some later Korando III models from 2014 to 2016, depending on the market, may have direct TPMS with sensors inside the tires. If the standard reset doesn't work, you might need a TPMS relearn tool to program the sensor IDs. Consult your owner's manual to confirm if your vehicle has direct TPMS and requires this additional step. If the TPMS warning light persists after following the reset steps, it could indicate a faulty sensor, low sensor battery in direct TPMS systems, or an electrical issue. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like C1A0, which indicates low voltage. For direct TPMS models, battery-powered sensors may degrade every 1 to 2 years, requiring replacement or reprogramming. Electrical issues may involve faulty wiring or connections in the TPMS system, as shown in this wiring diagram. If issues persist after these checks, seek professional assistance from a certified mechanic. Ignoring a TPMS warning light can significantly increase the risk of tire-related accidents, according to its data showing that low pressure contributes to thousands of incidents annually. Regularly check your tire pressure at least once a month, and always reset the TPMS after tire rotations, replacements, or pressure adjustments to ensure accurate monitoring. TPMS technology continues to evolve, with modern systems offering wireless resets via smartphone apps and AI-driven predictive maintenance that can alert you to potential issues before they become serious. Stay informed about available upgrades for your SsangYong Korando III to enhance safety and convenience, such as aftermarket TPMS kits that can extend the system's capabilities.